Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Ma Moon. It's a joy to connect across time and space. If you're going through it, suffering immensely, feeling numb to life, feeling fed up with circumstance, feeling frustrated with people and all of their baggage. Feeling insecure about your body, feeling lonely, depressed, worried, or perhaps even peaceful, loving. It's okay, my friend, whatsoever you feel. We're gonna take some deep breaths. See if we can come back to our hearts, dropping down from the head and all of the thoughts into our heart. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into the sound. Dropping your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead. Letting go of the past. The past is history. The future is a mystery. And the present is a gift, which is why we call it the present. Becoming more present in this moment. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Remembering that you're immortal. Feeling your heartbeats. relaxing your belly, as you feel your heart space, opening the chest like a flower in the sun. I want you to visualize that your chest is opening. I want you to visualize that you have no head, that your head begins where your heart is. Seeing through the heart, listening through the heart, being in the heart. Becoming aware of your breath. And as we breathe together, I want you to visualize your whole body is breathing. Every cell. Taking a deep breath in. And every cell in your body, exhale, letting go. And again, breathing in. And whole body exhaling, letting go. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale, completely releasing, softening. Letting go of tension in the face by bringing a smile. Inhaling love for yourself. Exhaling love for others. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of fear. Staying with me now, aware of your posture. Breathing in peacefulness. Exhale, letting go of inner conflicts. Letting go of inner and outer conflicts. Simply coming into this present moment where there is no conflict, just this moment. With closed eyes, looking inside, witnessing and welcoming yourself. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. And if your mind has been wanting to think, I want you to let your mind be totally free as you continue to witness and welcome everything that you see, observing the movement of thoughts, sensations, and emotion very gently, very lovingly. Very nice, my friend. The color for today is blue. The number is 2. And the animal is a sea lion. Thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you love. Stay creative. Create something new today. New opportunities. Letting go of past, letting go of future. Coming into the new opportunities to create, to serve, to contribute, to support somebody in your life with your listening ear, with your listening heart. Sending you a big hug across time and space, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of creativity. If you're going through something, use that energy, use that anger, that anxiety, that frustration, that fear, and channel it into something creative. And notice how that very act of getting creative can help alchemize the pain into more love, into more trust. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.